Take a video.
My phone is so slow.
Oh, he just gave her a kiss. Cam, over here. Sorry.
It's okay. He's quite cute.
Cameron.
Hi!
My phone takes forever.
I just flipped right off.
Yeah, good job.
Because anyways, I am 6 years old.
Wow.
Cameron.
And I'm going to first grade next year. Well, first grade is when you get lots of homework. Perfect. Homework is very boring.
Yeah, me too.
And she hates sight words more.
Oh.
Hey.
Got all over.
Oh.
Cameron, I want you to be nice. He doesn't really understand what I'm saying, that's why.
Cameron! Hey, look! Cam!
No.
Ugh.
He's so excited to play.
He's gonna freak out when it's time to leave.
Oh yeah.
Dude, he's gonna want to go on the top.
It's okay.